Hello, Black Hog Cougars. Let's try out some monkey coding. To begin, you will use these buttons down here to make your monkey get to the treasure chest. If you click with your mouse pad, the button goes up here, and then you just click right here, and this will run your program. Okay, that's all there is to it. You can push this button to try again, and you can push this one to go to the next puzzle. With this puzzle, I want to go the other way, but let's say I didn't notice. If you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Just click this button to try again. That's all there is to it. I hope you have fun. Click on the link below to get started. This is what it looks like right here.